Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to quickly switch from one minimized program window to other using only keyboard in Windows PC. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me open a different program. So I've opened two different program window. Now let me minimize both this program window. So I've minimized it. So now in order to switch from one minimized program window to other using only keyboard, what you need to do is on your computer keyboard just press Alt and Tab. So now you can see here the minimized program window. So now you can see a black border on the left program window. Now if you want to choose, just keep tapping Alt and Tab again. Now it will switch to the other program window, and if you keep pressing Alt and Tab again, now it will keep switching from one window to another. And say I want to select the middle one, and once you see a black border, now you can release your Alt and Tab. Now the respective minimized window will show up. So now if you want to use the selection in the anti-clockwise, then you can use the Shift along with Alt and Tab, then it will keep selecting the program window in the anti-clockwise direction. So the earlier was a clockwise direction. So by using this method, you can quickly switch from one minimized program window to other using only keyboard in Windows PC very easily. So if you never known about the cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.